Hey guys, what's up? It's Elastico here, new video, and today I got an unboxing here for you. Just got a new pair of cleats or shoes, whatever you want to call them. So just gonna open up packaging first, then show you cleats. Okay. Alright, so that's it over there. Got Soccer.com magazine. You get one every order. This receipt for what they got. Then here is that. Same cleats. And here they are. They are absolutely just so cool. Oh my gosh. Never had a Nike collar with my cleats. And what else is really cool about the cleats, which I just found out was here right now, is that they come with a Nike string bag as well. So an orange Nike and Nike football. So then you got the boots. They're just so cool. Love the colorway, new Nike colorway and everything. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys close-ups right now, and then, yeah, so.